In this video, I will show you how the goals module work. To access the goals module, you go here on the left menu and you have the goals menu item here. In here, you have three elements. You've got the goals, you've got the high impact tasks under each goal, and then you've got the scheduling of the high impact tasks. So here I'm going to expand all my goals, which are sample goals that I've created. And here I can see that I'm late. It's in red. This high impact task hasn't been completed yet, and I had scheduled it for the first week of the quarter. So we see this view is quarter by quarter. So at the beginning of the quarter, you would go with your team or yourself and list out all the goals that you want to commit to for the quarter. And then you would break it down into high impact tasks, so your biggest activities to get there, and try to schedule them. And to schedule them, basically and that's why generally people don't see their high impact task in the weekly planner, is because they've forgotten to schedule it. So for example here, introduce weekly retrospective, at the moment it's not scheduled, and if I decide that I want to start working on it this week, I will click on that specific week, and then I can actually have multiple weeks. So for example, this one will take me maybe 7 or 8 weeks to complete. I can extend the length, and my high impact task will show in the weekly planner only during these 8 weeks. And if I want to start later, I need to go one by one, click each of these start weeks to get to get it to be delayed of one week. Then the other part is actually updating your progress. So as you're working on a high impact task in your weekly planner, you will be able to actually access the edit task like normal and update the progress here. And once you do that, it will actually automatically update the goal progress based on the average between your two high impact tasks, but also the overall goal progress for your quarter. And once you're done with a high impact task, you will mark as completed, like a normal task, and it will show here as completed as well, and it will be included in the calculation of the overall progress. So that's really it. You create your goals, then you break them down into high impact tasks, you schedule them so that they appear in your weekly planner, and then when you are in the weekly planner, you can decide when exactly you're going to do it in your week. You try to block time for these important tasks, and once you've completed them, you can mark them as complete, or you can also just update the progress if you're still working on them, and it will reflect here so that everyone will know whether or not you're late with your goals for the quarter. Thank you.